Hi, I'm Aaron Murch from 2H Media. In this video, we're going to take a look at the measurement content type in Shopify's Online Store 2.0. On the Metafield definition screen, I've already entered a title and description for the Metafield, as well as selecting the measurement content type. I've called the Metafield circumference and described its contents as the perimeter measurement of the product. The measurement content type can be used to capture values representing weights, volumes, and dimensions. Within the validation section, you can enter a minimum and a maximum value to require your internal users to enter a value that falls within that range. Since we're happy with our Metafield values, let's click Save and navigate to a product page so we can see how this looks in the back end of Shopify. Our new Metafield appears at the bottom of the product page. When we click into the field, a single line text field appears, allowing us to enter a value. To the right of the text field is a drop-down menu, which allows our internal users to select a unit of measurement for the Metafield. When you click out of the Metafield, you'll see that the value and unit are saved as a single plain text string. Just like a text field, we can display this content in the front end of Shopify by dynamically linking this Metafield through a template. For an explanation of how to display Metafields in the front end of your online store, check out our video on creating a Metafield in Shopify's Online Store 2.0.